Good evening, sir. Good evening, classmate. So this is a continuation about our topic, which is musical content on forms and dynamics. So we talk about now the capo. What is the capo? It is an Italian word that means from the beginning, usually abbreviated as DC. In a music notation, it shows a return to the very beginning of a music composition. So ibig sabihin, babalik ka sa simula ng kanta. Yun yung da capo. So, second one is dal segno. Dal segno is abbreviated as DS. It is an Italian word meaning from the sign. It directs a musician to repeat a section of music from the sign, which looks something like this. So, this is a symbol or the sign should look at 4. So, ibig sabihin ng dal segno, go back to the part marked by the sign. So, doon ka lang babalik o doon mo lang i-repeat yung kanta kung nasaan yung sign na dal segno. So, the third one is the capo al fine or the capo al fine. So, tinatawag na the capo al fine in Italian. It is an instruction that means to repeat from the beginning to the end. The words al fine or al fine means to the end. It is abbreviated as DC, all fine, or all fine in notation. So, dito is babalik ka ulit sa simula and tatapusin mo ulit hanggang dulo. Yun yung da capo al fine. So, the next one is repeat marks. What is the repeat marks? These are sign which says that a section of music is to be played twice. So, kadalasan natin itong makikita dun sa mga kanta ng chorus, sa kanta sa chorus na makikita natin yung twice ikakanta. So, music that is repeated is written in measures within the 2 dots. So, kung makikita nyo, merong bars enclosed within these bars and may 2